two big TVs. What's that thing in the middle? It's a bush. It's a bush. Here, let me and Ricky do a funny one first.
Hey! I think I see a bush. It's growing.
Whoa!
Oh my God! Where'd it go? Oh! Jesus Christ!
Now push me.
I just got turned into a cyclops. Where is that thing? It's gonna kill me. There it is. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh shit!
Hey, now push me together, Ricky. You will let them beat me?
Luca,
Hey,
move.
Luca, move. Luca.
Like this. Put your face together. Sorry, I broke your neck. Let me do some
Ricky,
surgery.
move,
Let me
Luca.
do some
Hold him.
surgery.
Okay.
I'm doing surgery.
Stay.
Hold on, almost there. Oh, I have two heads now.
Whoa, you have to
Right.
move.
There.
That only
No. You have 4 eyes now. Oh my. You wear glasses, you'll be 8 eyes. There you
Oh,
go.
look,
Now
look,
you're
look.
better.
Whoa.
High five. Give me a high five. High five. Give me an A.
Stop.
Touch me under your chin. You cyclops.
How am I?
Restart. Spider. Oh my God, look at this. It's a bald man's head. Here comes the bald man. Oh.
Get out of the picture, Ricky. Why? Because Luke is snotting on me.
What is that thing?
Get on off.
What is that thing? Whoa.